For nearly 2 decades now, this community has paused on this day each year to remember, to grieve, and to celebrate the lives of those we lost on that day in 2001.
The nearly 3,000 flags that comprise our annual Waves of Flags commemoration here on Alumni Park are a moving memorial to the innocent lives lost on 9/11. But they also stand as a dramatic reminder of the heroism of the first responders, the unity of our nation as we locked arms and pulled together, and the hope that we can truly be one nation as we honor each individual's intrinsic, God-given worth. All of these reminders serve us well as we face today's challenges.